Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, Tactical Meatloaf. For today we finally get to play. It's a fun day, get to use some grenades, a couple of explosions. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. Right as I stopped. Oh, I left my gloves. God damn it. Ew! Nothing a little water won't fix. I got the yellow balloon! Yeah. Do we know, have we gotten any other ones? Oh, I see the pink balloon in the boxes. Yeah. Yeah, you're hit! Hey, he looked at me like, did I get hit? Hit it. We're blue. Yeah, right? Isn't it supposed to be the other way? The color that's showing. Yeah. You said it like it was wrong. It was like, okay. No, I said we were blue. Do you see anybody?
I can't see anything. My mask is so far up.
Come on, guys, push, man. You guys are all just stuck in one spot. Everybody, push, push, push.
Fuck yeah. Hit what? Got the balloon!
Dang, I wanted to get it. Good shot.
Yeah. My gun, stop shooting! Stop shooting! No! You! I'm in your team! Why'd you stop shooting them back? No, did you see where I was and it just stopped shooting? Am I recording?
I can go up top of it. Yes. My fault, my fault.
Over it?
Hey, Mike, we have reports of people shooting on the bus.
Record it. Record it. With your phone.
Don't call it, don't call.
It didn't go off! No! Can you go get it for me? Ah, screw you. Hey, that's a mark on your wristband, mister. Hit.
Cover.
I had a BB stuck in my eye. Damn, I got shot in the nose and then a BB rolled up into my glasses. I think my nose is bleeding. That's fun. It feels like there's something dripping. At least I'm... Yeah, I got shot right there. That's fun. Bro, this screw just popped out again. I hit you first. Yeah, sure, why not? Yeah, I know. It hit me in the nipple. It did hit me. I hit you. Yeah, go through.
When you threw that, I ducked in there. I didn't know if you
I know you did. You got me. I hit you. Hey, dead man, don't talk. What the fuck? Yeah, okay. Hey, I'm out. Don't shoot me, please.
Dead man, don't shoot, don't shoot. That thing could have flown off anywhere, man.
I know. That's so bad.
Right here.
You found it? Holy shit, no way. Oh my god. You're the one with good eyes.
I can't even see my class.
On before you walk off field. You must have barrel socks on, mags out.
Just fucking exploded apart.
Sorry, man.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like and comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe. See you next time.